The statement given by the Honorable Prime Minister is not related with the reality. Yes, after 1 year, he is just giving the statement. Honorable Prime Minister is giving statements in the Rajya Sabha. I think that it is not satisfied and also not comfortable to give the statement in the Lok Sabha, refer to Rajya Sabha. It is also may not be comfortable to him because many questions comes up in the Lok Sabha. Many leaders in the Lok Sabha, leader of opposition Sri Rahul Gandhi ji also asks in the Lok Sabha. MPs of Manipur also asks. The statement, whatever has given by the Honorable Prime Minister is not related with the reality, whatever we have seen in the ground. So the statement is like a political statement. The area which is not affected, in that area, the school and colleges are opening and functioning. But the area where affected, like in Suchanpur, where these maitais and cookies are dominated over there together, that there the one community cannot go there, the students cannot move here and there, and the functions of these all the system is not over there. Even in the this Imphal city, the other communities cannot operate and cannot go to school, and the function is not there. So the whatever the normalcy about the opening of schools and the functioning, it is quite meaningless. That is very not connected with the present situations, the unrest situations here in the affected area. So this is how, being the Prime Minister of India, how he stated such a word in the Parliament. No, it is in fact it is quite baseless. No, it is the present government is under BJP government, double engine government. Center is also BJP and the state is also BJP. So how can the Congress party this 80 fuel in the fire? It is quite meaningless. So the way of their administrations, the way of their the system is totally paralyzed. So they are blaming to the other political party. People know the failure of the administrations of the government. So it is not by the other political party. It is collapse of the administrations of the present government. So the blaming to the Congress, it is quite something like desperate. The failures is blaming to the others. So to say, see, you see, in the last June, perhaps 21st of June in 2023, in the program, Honorable Minister has already stated that the present violence is because of the collapse of the administrations and the failure of the administrations. That was indicated by the Honorable Ministers in the public platform. And also that was exposed in the press and the media. How they are blaming to the Congress party. That is their statement. Even another statement also. Whenever the then ministers under this Modi too, the then ministers represented from Manipur, he also stated state government is totally collapsed. The administration. So this version is the sole responsibility. It shows that the responsibility and the failure of the government is seen in this statement. So it is not by the Congress. It is the failure of the present state government as well as central government. He never said on the matter of the present unrest situation here in Manipur. That's why he never speak more than 1 year. After storming in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and also after these two MPs who represent from Manipur, they stormed to the wells of the Lok Sabha. They protest in the Parliament House, inside the House. They stormed to the wells of the Speaker, and also the opposition leaders also so like anything. And other many of the MPs from the different states, spoke to the prime ministers and the BJP government. After this honorable prime minister cannot skip, and at the end, at the last moment, has given the statement in the Rajya Sabha. That too, and in the Rajya Sabha, he didn't give any answer to the oppositions. So you see, during the motions of thanks, when Rahul ji spoke about the motions of thanks in the Lok Sabha, many of the oppositions took the point of order and interrupted. At that time also, many of the defense ministers, many of the council of ministers, defense minister Rajnath Singh, and also the honorable home minister Amit Shah, even the prime minister took a point of order, rather interacted whatever the Rahul has stated. So why? My question is that this why Mr. Modi, honorable Prime Minister, he didn't give any chance to the opposition. So this is a very clear example that the issues of the Manipur is not sharing and the diverting, and he is giving a statement is a clearly is a statement of politicizing. Something like is politicizing the matter. So I should say that this. So instead of speaking on that line, why their MPs is not speaking even a single word in this last parliament issue. BJP MPs is also there. Why is he didn't give any statement? Why is not he as member of the parliament? Rajya Sabha member is representing from Manipur. About the silence of the MPs of Manipur of the BJP, there is no discussion at all, there is no comment, there is no argument, there is no blame game, and at least these MPs are seriously contributing and sharing the concern of the state of Manipur, and why they are blaming to our newly elected MP. This is just initial part, and also they have stormed the Parliament House very effectively. They stormed to the well, they speak like anything, and threatening to the all entire Parliament member, and also to the nations. And why they are blaming that the core issues is not mentioned. What is core issue? The violence is a core issue. The matter of the violence is right up in the parliament. This is a core issue. We want the solution. And you say the honorable prime minister didn't mention any roadmap. So whatever he said that is a political. What I say is that he is just blaming to the political party. He is not finding. He is not giving any suggestion for a roadmap to restore the normalcy here in Manipur. So his statement is not justified, and his statement is a political statement, and he is not concerned about Manipur. He never visited Manipur. Just by the praises of the newly elected MPs and our opposition leader, LOP, by the praises of them, he is giving some statement. So otherwise, the entire people of India will think otherwise to the Modi, honorable Prime Minister of India. This is why he has given the statement, which is based on the politicization. So there is nothing at all, nothing development at all, nothing concerned about Manipur. He is just politicizing on the present this legislation in Manipur. The Prime Minister should visit Manipur. And when he is going to visit Manipur, and we want peace, and by his intervention of the honorable Prime Ministers, we should bring peace at the earliest as possible. This is our demand. It is a clear demand of the people of Manipur and our party and India bloc. And the entire people want these Prime Ministers to visit in Manipur.